how to group pages in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to group pages in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to Notion's website and log into your account. Pick the account linked to your workspace and you'll land right in your Notion dashboard, the hub for all your pages and projects. Next, choose the workspace where you want to organize your pages. Some people have separate workspaces for personal projects, work, or team collaborations, so make sure you're in the right one. Now for the grouping part. In Notion, grouping pages is as easy as dragging one page into another. Just grab the page you want to group. Click and hold on it and drag it right under the page you want it nested in. Once you see it shift slightly to the right, drop it. Boom, your page is now grouped. You can use this to organize by project, topic, or phase. For example, you might have one main page called Marketing and group all your campaign pages inside it. This keeps everything neat and easy to find, kind of like a digital binder. And the best part? You can reorganize anytime. Just drag pages around until your workspace feels right. Notion is super flexible, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find a structure that works for you. And that's it. Now you know how to group pages in Notion. It's a tiny feature that makes a huge difference in keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.